Hi everybody, this is Squirrels Magnet Fishing and Outdoors. We did a little bit of magnet fishing today, not for very long. It's about 50 degrees out here today. The creek's out in front of me, it's out that way. I'll tell you some of the things I found magnet fishing today. What I was using was my 1700 double-sided through BruteMagnetics.com. It's staying over in that direction area, staying on the ground. And if you are interested in doing magnet fishing, go to BruteMagnetics.com. Use my promo code SQUIRRELS. It'll save you 10% off. You'll be getting the double-sided 1700. You'll be getting the Battler 360, the Brute Boss 360, the 575, the 1200 Dogbuster. You'll be getting shirts, hats, and stickers all through BruteMagnetics.com. Use my promo code SQUIRRELS. It'll save you 10% off. And I'll show you some of the stuff I found today. We found this thing. Everybody wants to tell me what that is. Wherever that goes to. Right there. We found like a tuna can, but made out of metal. It's like a tuna can. We found this big piece. Right there. We found that. Got a battery. A small piece of metal there. A ring. Little chunk of metal. I was out here once before, like last year. Didn't find much. We got a nail. Something very, very tiny right there. So we just put all this stuff back in a bucket. Where everything will go back in. And if you're new here, please like, comment, and subscribe to Squirrels Magnet Fishing and Outdoors. Don't forget to leave the thumbs up. I didn't have a guest with me today. I was out here by myself. I hope y'all enjoying the view out here. We got the water out this direction. So don't forget to hit the thumbs up, ding ding. And I'll catch everybody on the next video. And this is Squirrels Magnet Fishing and Outdoors. This video will be uploaded sometime next week. See y'all later. Bye.